Okay, we're ready to create a assembly file to bring this cap and bottle together. So we're going to go up here to File and New, and we're going to create assembly. So we're going to click on the assembly right here, and now we're going to click on, or we're going to change the name of it to Sportsbottle or whatever you can remember, and I'm going to hit OK. So we have a new file up. Yours probably looks like this. And I'm going to click on the assemble button. I'm going to bring my bottle in, which I just left default as part 1. Yours might be something different, whatever you saved it as. I'm going to hit open, and you can see it's going to follow my mouse around a little bit here until I click somewhere. And then up here where it says automatic, I'm going to change to default, just like what we did with the primer. That turns that nice yellow color, and we'll hit the green check mark, and there it turns gray. Now I want to turn off the datum planes and the coordinate system there, just to have a little bit better view of everything. Now I'm ready to bring my cap in, so I'm going to click on assemble, and I'm going to click on cap, and here's my cap. So I'm going to click somewhere. Now we can kind of move this a little closer if we want. Again, we'll hold the Control-Alt button, and we will click and drag with the left mouse button. You can see we can kind of move this around different parts of the screen. If we need to, we can get things closer and farther away. But anyway, let's get these lined up here. So I'm going to click on, to align these, I'm going to click on this part of the bottle right here at the neck, just underneath that lip. I'm going to click on the nozzle of the cap. Now they're not the same size, but since they're both cylindrical, they're going to line up in the center of each other. Now you can see that my cap has disappeared inside my bottle, and normally this would be a hard thing to get out if it was in real life, but since we're using a computer, we can Control-Alt right mouse button and slide the cap up like so. And so now we're up above the bottle again, which is what we want. Okay, so now the next thing, we need to mate up this cap with the bottle, and we want the top of the cap, the top of the bottle, to mate up with the underside surface of the cap here. Now you say, Mr. Ansford, why we want that? Because now it's too far down. Not a big deal. We're going to change this button right here, and we're going to give it a little bit of offset, and we're going to change that to 5.5 and press enter. And so there we go. We have the bottom of this cap and the top of the bottle mated up with a little bit of a gap, or a little bit of an offset is what they would call it. And so now everything should be lined up good. We can hit the green check mark, and there we go. Last thing we need to do is color it, and you can make this whatever color you want. I'm going to click on the little ball up here, little sphere appearance gallery, and since we're at North Central, let's make the cap green. So I found my color, clicked on the cap, I'm going to hit OK. There's my green. That's not really the green I was wanting, but that works. And let's do, sometimes we use yellow in some of our colors for North Central. Click on the bottle and we'll hit OK, and there we have something that looks well, those are kind of ugly colors, but that works. Whatever color you want to make this look is fine with me. And make sure you save it, and then we'll upload it.